Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Central tendency measures. A measure of central tendency, also referred as measures of center or central location, is a summary measure describing a whole set of data with a single value that represents the middle or center of its distribution. This single value is the point of location around which individual values cluster and is termed as measures of central tendency. Object of computing an average value for a set of observations is to obtain a single value which is representative of all the items. There are three main measures of central tendency: mode, median and mean. Each of these measures describes a different indication of the typical or central value in the distribution. Averaging. Average is the calculated central value of a set of numbers. The average depicts the characteristic of the whole group. An average represents the entire data. Its value lies somewhere in between the two extremes, that is the largest and the smallest items. For this reason, an average is frequently referred as a measure of central tendency. Objects of averaging. Bird's eye view of the entire data. Measures of central value by considering the mass of data in one single value gives a bird's eye view of the entire data. For example, average income obtained by dividing the total income by the number of companies gives the single value that represents the entire industry, which is more meaningful than individual income value of each company. Ease of comparison. Reducing the mass of data to one single figure helps comparisons. Comparison can make either at a point time or over a period of time. For example, comparing average annual profits of different industries for a particular year help us to know performance of various industries. Comparing of different time periods reveal who are improving and who are deteriorating. Types of averaging. Mathematical, computed mathematically from the set of value. Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Positional indicates the position of the average in the set of numbers. These are median, mode. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.